You feel different. Not broken though, just quietly struggling. Psychology says this. High intelligence feels heavy inside sometimes. Here is why. First struggle appears. Constant overthinking loops. Your brain does. Pattern seeking automatically. Behavioral science explains. Smarter brains simulate more future outcomes. Every small decision becomes mentally heavy. Second struggle emerges. You feel misunderstood. Psychology says this. Abstract thinking separates. Your ideas jump faster than conversations. Research shows that high IQ communication feels isolating sometimes. Third struggle shows. Emotional sensitivity increases. Your brain connects thoughts with feelings. Psychology says this. Deep processing amplifies. Every emotional signal feels overwhelming quickly. Fourth struggle exists. Perfectionism quietly grows. Behavioral science explains. Smart brains compare reality with potential. Gap feels painful, so you delay. Fifth struggle appears. Boredom comes easily. Your brain needs constant mental stimulation. Research shows that high IQ brains crave novelty constantly. Routine feels draining. Sixth struggle hides difficulty relaxing fully. Psychology says this. Your brain stays alert for patterns, even during rest. Seventh struggle matters. Strong sense fairness. Behavioral science explains. High intelligence spots inconsistencies quickly in people systems. That creates frustration. Now remember this. These are signals, not personal flaws. Psychology explains why. Your brain works deeper than average. So be gentle with your mind. Soft recap now. Overthinking means awareness. Sensitivity means depth. Boredom means capacity. Misunderstanding means difference. Gentle reminder here. You are capable, just wired differently. If this resonated, sit with it. Let understanding settle. Knowledge brings peace and self-compassion. Thanks for listening. Sometimes you wonder why life feels hard. Psychology says intelligence adds mental layers. Your brain processes more than others. This creates friction inside daily life. Another hidden struggle. Difficulty trusting people. Psychology says smart minds detect patterns in words' actions. Research shows this. High IQ brains notice inconsistencies fast. That reduces safety, so walls rise. Another challenge exists. Feeling mentally lonely, even around people. Behavioral science explains. Depth needs depth. Surface talk drains. Your brain seeks meaningful connection, not constant noise. This feels isolating. Another struggle appears. Strong self-awareness. Psychology says this. Smart minds observe their own behavior. That creates pressure. You self-correct. Too often though. Now slow down. This is important. These struggles indicate cognitive complexity growth. Psychology explains clearly. Your brain prioritizes depth over ease. So life feels heavier sometimes. Gentle recap now. Overthinking equals simulation. Sensitivity equals integration. Loneliness equals mismatch. Perfectionism equals vision. Boredom equals capacity. Remember this softly. Nothing is wrong. You are adapted. For complex thinking, treat yourself gently. Understanding brings relief. Stay with awareness. Thank yourself today. One more thing, often overlooked here. High IQ people feel time pressure. Psychology says awareness creates urgency feeling. You see possibilities before others do. That speeds perception, but drains energy. Your brain runs constant background tasks. Behavioral science explains. Cognitive load stays, even during pauses. So rest feels less refreshing sometimes. This is normal for intelligent minds. Another subtle struggle. Difficulty celebrating wins. Psychology says comparison happens internally. You see gaps instead of progress. Your brain tracks what remains undone. That limits joy. Now gently notice. Awareness helps regulation. Psychology supports this. Name the pattern, then release pressure. You don't need constant optimization. Life includes pauses and imperfect moments. Final gentle reminder. Intelligence is neutral. How you respond creates suffering peace. Choose softness more with your mind. If this helped, carry it slowly. Understanding takes time. Be patient inside. You are enough, exactly as wired. Thanks for staying. Subscribe for understanding.